you a quick update here. I've been pretty busy past couple weeks with life, and haven't had much time to spend out here working on this little girl. But as you can see, I got the engine back in the frame, so that's a good start anyway. None of this stuff is hooked up. I just basically got the bottom motor mounts in, and it's just hanging in there at the moment.
Motorbike garage.
I don't have much video of this process. In fact, I don't have any video of this process. I do have a couple pictures I'll show you of how I did it. I managed to get it done by myself. It wasn't easy, but it wasn't too terrible. So overall, it wasn't a bad experience. Like I said, there's a bunch of stuff that's got to be hooked up yet, and there's still a lot of work ahead of me. But we're going to keep picking away at it, and this thing should be running soon, hopefully. Stay around. So I lifted the motor off the jack stands, and then I set it down onto the wooden dolly and got the jack underneath it, put the bike on the ground level on the center stand, and then just kind of guided the jack and the dolly in until I had it close enough to get my bolts through the motor mounts, and that's all there was to it. So basically, we're just kind of mounted into the frame. Nothing has been connected yet. None of the hoses, none of the wires. Motor's just sitting in there with the bottom motor mounts in. Still a lot of work to do yet. All kinds of wires and whatnot I gotta hook up. Still haven't done timing belts. But a little progress has been made. I don't think I've gone through this radiator yet. I'd like to just test that fan, make sure it runs. Just give it a real good once over, make sure it doesn't leak anywhere. Clean it up, get it ready. I think in order, before I can put that in though, I probably should do these timing belts. And I got a bunch of brackets and whatnot down there. Horns, I gotta figure out where they go. I painted all those. I don't know if they go up here somewhere or we'll figure it out. I got the slave cylinder all ready to go. It's all rebuilt. New thermostat. I scored some new parts here too. New reflector. A new trim piece here up front in the nose. Being this one was cracked and pretty beat up. I got these because somebody spray painted the ones I had. So I figured these will look a little bit nicer. But I found a guy on Facebook, he was parting the same bike out and sold me all this stuff pretty cheap. We still got all kinds of parts and whatnot that we gotta get back on. But we're getting there. So stick around. Hopefully next time around I'll have a little bit better video for you. And maybe we can even hear it run. Thanks for watching. See you next time.